Hey, it's me, Nikki. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. So my daughter sent me this challenge on Instagram and she wanted me to do it. She chose the palette for me as well, and it is the Karity palette. It's a very colorful one. And basically what you do is I counted all the colors that there is in the palette. You write them down. Then I'm going to cut out all the numbers that I wrote down and put them in a bag or whatever, shake it around, and only be able to pick 3 numbers, and those are the colors that I am going to use. So I kind of fast forwarded on this part because you get the idea. I have to cut them out and fold them and throw them back in there. Here's another preview of the colors, and it's time to shake it around and pick 3 numbers. And I went ahead and just picked all 3 at one time so I could just open it up and see whatever I got. And these are the colors I'm going to be using today. I have to find a way to just put them all together. And I haven't never used that number 9. I've never used that color. I didn't even know what I was going to do. And she also told me I had to do cut crease. So I haven't done a cut crease in a while. So I kind of was just winging it. I didn't know what I was doing. I pretty much always start with the bold color for the cut crease. And I chose the blue. I really don't know at this time what I'm doing. I'm just like, I'm going to put some blue and then I'm going to mix the green in there somehow. And that number 9 color, I've never used it. I don't even know what I would ever use it again. I'm really packing it on there. You can see the fallout. That's why I put the powder under my eye so that I can just swipe it off at the end. And whenever I use this palette, I always put the Airspun under my eye because I will make a big mess out of everything. I'm just applying that lime greenish color right on top of that blue and blending it in. So I'm trying to get rid of that harsh line that develops sometimes. And then I grab a clean brush and I'm fading it in on the top. So I'm just blending and blending. Now I'm just adding that number 9 color. Yeah, I've never used it. I really don't like it. I decided not to put concealer to do the cut crease. I'm just gonna throw it on there and hope that it comes together at the end. But that 3rd color just really threw me off. That number 9 color threw me off so bad. And then at the end I always go back and pack on some more blue and green, and then I blend more because it seems to fade out sometimes. And that's all I'm doing is working on the blending. Then I'm swiping everything off. All that fallout comes right off if you have that Airspun or whatever powder that you have. Comes right off. If not, my whole face would have been blue and I would have had to wipe it off with the makeup remover wipe. It was real blotchy on one of my eyes. It really didn't want to blend. I don't know why. Maybe because I didn't put moisturizer on today and I have really dry skin. I ended up just throwing that lime green color on the bottom, and then I put the blue color just right there at the corner of the end of my eye. And that's it, guys. I don't know. I didn't know what I was doing, but it is what it is. I really don't know about this look, but there it is. Thanks for watching anyways, and don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Really help your girl out, and I will see you on the next one.